Yeah, ironically, that's actually probably one of the most watched videos I have is people relating to, I should say, the hustler to CEO comment. And here's what I mean by that is that you have to remember that everything about the hustler in you is, if I put in the effort, I get paid. If I go sell the property, or if I go get the listing, or if I go find the buyer, or whatever it is in your business, whatever business you're in, if I go install the alarm system, or I go walk the roof, or whatever it is, then I get paid. So that's the hustler. You've always been trained that your effort determines your outcome. What you have to appreciate is that when you move into the CEO role, it is exactly opposite of that. In other words, now it is about being strategic. Now it is about leverage. Now it's about people, processes, systems, putting those things in place, slowing down to train people or hire people to put those things in place. Every time you slow down to do that, guess what happens? The hustler side of your brain kicks in and says, no, we can't do this. We need to just jump in and do what we have to do to get the outcome. We need to jump in and do the sell. Oh my God, we're not hitting our goals. We need to do, and so it is a massive conflict internally, and it takes an enormous amount of discipline to sit there and see it through. And that's the reason most fail. Most people don't have the guts. Most people don't have the wherewithal to just dig in and understand bigger picture. This is what I'm trying to do. I am going to make it happen. So how do you get there? What do you need to do to move from hustler to CEO? One, you got to get real comfortable hiring people. Surround yourself with the people that support you hiring people. In other words, whether that's coaches, mentors, people you look up to who've already gone down that path and are telling you this is the right resources to go and find good quality people, not just people that have a heartbeat. Go find good quality people, onboard them correctly, train them correctly, manage them correctly to where you get comfortable going through that process. You got to be willing, just like you were when you're a hustler, you got to be willing to fall down a few times in that process. But the moment you get a real rock star on your team, just one, that momentum will shift. You will quickly figure out, oh wow, this is what I've been missing. I've got somebody that is amazing, that is taking a lot of stuff off my plate. I know how to manage them. I know how to look at a KPI dashboard. I understand exactly what needs to get measured so that I understand the effort that they're putting in and what the outcome is going to be. Once that momentum is built, start hiring for other positions. Your number one job for moving from hustler to CEO is fire yourself as often as you can. That's the game. Every single thing you're doing, you have to quickly, methodically, over time, look at how do I fire myself from doing this? And the moment you finally accomplish firing yourself from all the things you're doing, you become free and you give yourself the one thing you're looking for, moving from hustler to CEO. Options. You want to be able to get to do something. You don't want to have to do something. When you get to do it, in other words, I still get to do marketing in my company. I still get to do stuff like this, and talking to you, but I don't have to do any of this because I know that the money's still coming. That's why you have to move from hustler to CEO. The way you get there, again, is firing yourself as often as you can, putting people, processes, system, leverage in place to take yourself out.